ngafunda ngaqala nge-diploma in-information technology, and then I then later ventured into business management and ngabe sengimajalisha ka-marketing. Yes, when the business admin ngiphiwe degree just finished, we graduate lo nyaka nga-October. Yes, and then mapephethe when the business management nayo. The inspiration yabo konke I think sithena sifika naBabela nakafika Babela Plaza ngalo 2007 belisetshenzwa nguye, so on the ground bekungithi sishayela Kulumba senta nje cishe konke but on behalf of Baba, and then wasingekukhula naye nakabona ukuthi hayi I can transfer this thing to you guys, wasizothi hayi sebenzani nibone ukuthi nidawuphila kanjani. Siyajabula thina masivakashela abantu labadzala ngoba kusho ukuthi leli sikwendako kuyabonakala nekuthi usitile kakhulu NMC in terms of knowing ukuthi i-product yakho nawuyivuna you know ukuthi i-market yakho nginayo, and on that part we are covered, and that's because of NMC, and we are very very grateful for the opportunity. Nekuthi nje solo sakucala azange sesike encounter ama-issues. Siyafisa ukuthi ubudlelwane bethu na NMC buqhubeke, nekuthi ke vele like ngeke ngasho phambilini ukuthi siyafisa ukuthi NMC aside ngetinto letitsite in terms of easy harvesting process, an easy harvesting process, because usually uyawulima lo mbili ube mningi, and the harvesting part is the hardest one. Like it's also the most exciting one, because usuke wathi ukuthi sekusonzele bo lesingakusho kubalimi labasesebancane nalabafisa kungena ka farming nalese bakhona kwecala bathi knowledge is power. Invest so much in knowledge so that you can be good at what you are doing, especially when it comes to farming. Nekuthi ke singabakhuthata as a way yokuthi sibambise live ukuthi libe nekudla. The more the number grows, the more food, the more self-sustaining live will be, because ngiyabekisa nje nakungaba na maybe 50 more farmers labalima ka umbila lomningi kangaka, live cishe linga, especially labancane, not to even mention labancane kakhulu, but nje maybe our age mates or labafisa kungena ka farming. Sinaso sifiso kakhulu ukuthi singabona nalabanye. We need to have brothers and sisters in the game.